How to fix snap error in Chrome v79. Here's some tips that may help you with the snap error in Chrome v79. 1. Shut down your Google Chrome browser. Run the following command as admin, regadd hkey_local_machine /software/policies/google/chrome/v RendererCodeIntegrityEnabled/treg_d0/f close your Chrome browser, reopen it. 2. Make sure all Chrome windows are closed. 2.2 Right-click on the Chrome shortcut and go into Properties. When the Properties window pops up, you should be on the Shortcut tab and the first editable field is the target field. Yours probably looks like C/Program Files, x86, /Google/Chrome /Application/Chrome.exe, or something similar. 2.3 Add Disable Features equals renderer code integrity at the end. Make sure there is a space in front of the new string that you are putting at the end. C/Program Files, x86, /Google/Chrome /Application/Chrome.exe Disable Features equals renderer code integrity. 2.4 Apply the change you made. Last but not least, keep your antivirus or security app and Google Chrome browser up to date. You may also follow http://bit.ly/386auc. Snap. Crashes following Chrome M78 and M79 updates. For more info.